It's just been brought to my attention that somehow with last week's chicken masala recipe, I forgot to upload the jasmine rice recipe. All the same, it's super easy. We're going to make it in the Instant Pot. Only because I'm doing a Whole30 diet, I'm going to use wild rice instead of jasmine rice. But you use whatever it is you want. Y'all stick around. I'm going to show you how. Hey, so if you like what I do here and you want to see more content like this, my camping videos, campground review videos, cooking videos, make sure you press that subscribe button, click off on that bell notification, and maybe even give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. Also, if you feel so inclined, send me a comment. I promise you I'll respond. And then maybe share me to your social media. I sure would appreciate it.
For this recipe, we're going to need whole cloves, cinnamon, salt, cumin seed, cardamom pods, garlic, a minced onion, and a 1.5 cups of wild rice, well rinsed.
Okay, we're going to start with 1 large onion. We're going to make it a fairly large mince, and we're going to put it in a cast iron pan with some oil and a little bit of salt. This is about the size of the mince you want. Fairly good sized pieces. And then right into the oil it goes. Got my pan ready. It's got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, to that onion, we're going to add 3 cardamom pods. Right there they are. 3 cloves in it. There you go, 3 cloves. A heaping teaspoon of cumin seed. Right about there. Just a little bit more for good luck. And about a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to fry that really well. What that does, when you fry spices, it brings out the perfume in them. It brings out the aroma. It smells wonderful. Whew, this is going to be hardly fit to eat, this is. I wish y'all could smell the onions and that cardamom pod and the cinnamon. Oh my good gracious. So here's about what we're going to need to be looking like. Don't want to overcook these because we're going to cook this in the rice as well. Whew. Man, does that smell good. Okay, to our Instant Pot, we have added 3 cups of water. I'm going to put in about 1.5 teaspoons salt. Then we're going to add in our spice onion mixture. Make sure we get all that spicy goodness in there. And then to that, we're going to add our 1.5 cups of wild rice that has been rinsed very well and drained. We're going to put it in the Instant Pot at high pressure for 25 minutes. Well, it's done. So let's let this thing decompress and we're going to have a little taste. Okay, well she's all decompressed. Let's have a look. Whew, I want you to look at that pot of goodness right there. Let's fluff it around a little and we'll have a quick taste. Ooh, That right there is hardly fit to eat, but I'm going to keep going until I find a good spot. That's right. Have that with your Indian recipe. I promise you'll like it. Well, until next week, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to go out there and be nice to each other. I love you. God bless. See you next week.